But tonight, the breaking news that's coming in at the very top, a row has escalated over the European Union's no green pass for Covishield vaccine beneficiaries. Sources in the European Union now telling India today that a decision in this regard will only be taken when travel is allowed from India. At the moment, there is only European Union travel, that is travel within Europe, is allowed through the current green pass. The European drug regulator has said that Covishield has also not applied so far for the green pass. That is, Serum Institute has not applied, importantly, for the green pass, and that's the stage when this will be looked at. I'm joined by Geeta Mohan live at the moment, our Foreign Affairs editor. Geeta, you know, this has been projected as vaccine racism, but clearly it's not quite that. The European Union is saying that India has not applied, or Serum Institute has not applied for this green pass, and for now this pass only applies to intra-Europe travel, not for travel from India. Am I correct?
Well, absolutely, Rajdeep. In terms of discrimination, there is none. The European Union will be looking at ensuring that the AstraZeneca that's made in India holds up to the standards of the European Union. But once the borders open up, they will be looking at a made in India AstraZeneca vaccine as well, provided Serum Institute of India applies. So there are two cases over here. One is that the green pass, that the EU COVID green pass is only intra-EU as of now, and borders have not opened up to other countries. And secondly, once vaccine manufacturers apply, EMA will then do due diligence and then will look at providing AstraZeneca or other vaccine manufacturers with the green pass. And we'll have to wait and see whether that's really going to happen for the India-made vaccine, given the kind of engagement. In a couple of months, when EU opens up, in all probability, we will see India-made vaccine recipients also traveling to the European Union.
So what you're saying, as of now, more likely than not, that once Europe opens up, then Covishield should get the same facilities as AstraZeneca gets, or the same benefits if I'm a Covishield vaccine beneficiary.
Well, absolutely, Rajdeep. Again, they will be coming to India. They will be putting the Serum Institute of India and the vaccine to scrutiny and ensuring that they meet with the EU standards, given that AstraZeneca's one manufacturer has already got the green pass and is working within the intra-EU COVID green pass regulations. We'll again have to wait and see whether if the Made in India vaccine gets it. But with the kind of engagement that we're seeing between the European Union and India, it's highly unlikely that they would be rejected from getting permission to travel to the European Union.
Okay, Geeta Mohan telling us exactly what is the real story from the noise around it. Thanks very much for joining me.